Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to remove the contact photo from iPhone. So in this device, for this, open the phone application, then select the contact that you want to remove the photo. So here I am going to select this one. So here you can see the photo. So let me show you how to remove the photo from this contact. Here you can see the option edit. Tap on this one, then tap on the option edit. Then here you can see the image. Just tap on this one and swipe up. You can see the option delete. Tap on this one. Delete contact photo and poster. Tap on delete. Simply tap on done. Now you can see that image is deleted from this contact. So simply in this way you can delete or remove the contact photo on iPhone. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.